Enjoy the most magical flight on
It
Earth.
look, a purple one, Dada.
I see it.
It's
Wow.
mine.
Wow.
That was the one I was talking about. I want to one.
We're heading on to test track in our matching shirts.
I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. I am too. This isn't my favorite, so it's all right.
Don't do fast, but it's only for a second.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, we did test track. We did the new test track, and it was very cool. What do you think?
I liked it a lot. I like it more than the last one.
I do too. I think it's just, I don't know. It's less dark, first of all. There's way more going on. It felt faster. It felt like they kept us moving pretty fast through the whole thing. So I'm hoping that like gets wait times down on it.
Yeah.
And yeah, everything else is pretty much the same. But it was really,
No, it was
really
really
fun.
good. I liked it a lot.
Yeah. So now we are going to the land, and we're gonna go on Living with Land, and probably Soarin', because everything over there right now is about a 5-minute wait.
Yeah.
All right, we got the croissant breakfast sandwich at Sunshine Seasons without the aioli. You can get it without the garlic aioli. And then it comes with a fruit cup. And this was like 11 something. It came to 12 chips. Chips? No chips. We are in line for Nemo, and it was posted at 25. It is not a 25-minute wait. We are almost there, but it's loud, it's chaotic. Teddy needs a nap.
Yeah, hopefully Teddy will nap in the stroller.
After this, we're gonna go walk and hopefully get him to take a snooze. We're in the UK, but we got Ottawa apples a while ago. Is yours gone?
Yeah. I just finished it. Like, I just took the last step. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
And we have lost the rest of the party. I don't know where everybody else is. We've added 2 more people to the party now, so there's 10 of us now. We're in Connections Eatery. Look how shiny my face is. Yeah. It's very hot here. Half of our party is going on Guardians after this.
Well, only 4 of us.
Okay,
There's quite a few
4
of us
out of
now.
10 of us are
So there's
going
quite
on
a
the
few of us
Guardian
now.
on Cosmic Rewind, and then we're gonna eat some food right now, though.
Our party has grown tremendously.
Yes, we have 10 people in our group now, and Teddy is napping in the stroller and has been napping for over an hour now, so that's really good. We're gonna eat some food in a minute. I'll show you guys what we get. We've got 2 kids meals from Connections. These are both kids meals for pizza with fries. Pretty good deal. They're like $8. So, and water. Brandon just rode Guardians of the Galaxy with 4 out of 10 of us, and then we went and saw Figment's Lab at the end of the ride, and Teddy was grumpy, and then we went to a private thing for Disney Visa holders with Minnie and Pluto, and Teddy wasn't having that either, so Teddy's grumpy. There he is. He slept almost 2 hours, but he's grumpy. So now we're going on Figment, and maybe this will cheer him up, because this is a cute little ride and a happy little ride.
Chocolate Nola bar.
With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation, imagination.
What do you want for a belly? Which one of the wings? Those regular ones? What do you think for the ears?
What color do you want him to be?
Orange, okay.
What is his name? Oh, Teddy.
Do you like him?
No, I'm not
Teddy selected Japanese for the Spaceship Earth commentary. What color did we select?
列車は磁力で快適走行、移動しながら働けます。
Wow!
一人でいるときにいいアイディアが浮かぶ。
Alright, we got our Mexico margaritas. Teddy's running around with my sister somewhere.
Yeah, they went for a walk.
Oh, they're across the way. They're looking at the ducks. The Disney ducks. And we're gonna go on 3 Caballeros after this, and then we're gonna make our way over to the America Pavilion to pick up our mobile order, which is, what did we get? 3 sides or something?
Yeah, 3 sides and some chicken tenders for Teddy.
We used to get the kids' rib meal that was $8 and you got a bunch of food, and they got rid of it.
I saw him, and then he ate the water, and then he went back in the water.
Oh!
Was it a duck?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The duck that came to see him flew back into the water. Ew, what is that? A worm on him.
Hi.
It's golden hour here.
Teddy, yes, it is golden hour. Teddy, can I see your shirt? Can you show me? Who's on your shirt?
Remy.
Remy.
Remy, the not rabbit.
Remy, not the Ratatouille?
No, I'm not gonna take a picture.
We're not taking a picture. Mama's filming this. It's not a picture, it's a video. We're gonna see Donald in just a minute.
Does this school have wheels?
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, wow. There he is.
No.
Oh, okay. All right, we're at Regal Eagle. We got a bunch of sides. So we got mac and cheese. This is a kid's chicken tender. We got a mac and cheese with it.
We're in America.
Brandon got burnt ends and beans.
Yeah, it's really
We got
good.
a water. Oh, is it good? I'm glad.
Very good.
Jill, what'd you get? Burger?
Yeah, she
Julian
got
got
a
a
kid
burger. Oh, nice. What'd you guys get?
It's got mac and cheese,
Mac
fries.
and cheese, fries, and
Watermelon.
Watermelon. These look good. I like chocolate orange. Mm-hmm. All the different Pockies. Grape gummy candy. Oh! These are these like the peelable ones?
Oh, maybe.
I've heard of like the peelable fruit. I wonder if it's these. Maybe not.
It might look like that on the inside.
Yeah, I don't know. That's cool. All right, we got violet sake. And they have a cover on it because the regular cart that has the violet sake is under construction. So they gave us these cups that have the zipper lid on them, which I actually really appreciate because I'm not going to spill it all over the place while we're walking. We love. What are you? Do you hear that? I've never noticed that before. They have like the sound of little kids singing back here. We're in the very back of the pavilion. That is very crazy and a detail I did not know about. It just feels like you're stepping into a different place in this pavilion.
You see it? Whoa.
All right, we are heading back to our resort. It is not super late. It's like 7:30-ish, but our son is tired. It's time. Yeah, we're gonna cut it off here. My sister and her boyfriend, Hunter, are staying for a little bit longer, but anyway, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna cut the vlog here. Thank you all again so much for watching. If you like our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below. Is EPCOT your favorite park? Because I think it honestly probably might be mine. As far as just everything you do. We never can hit it all. We definitely missed stuff today, which was sad, but it is what it is. It's such a big park. There's so much to do. But as far as theming goes and everything, like, I just love this park. But anyway, that's gonna do it. We will see you all tomorrow. We're going back to Magic Kingdom. We have a full day there. Let's hope our son sleeps tonight. We'll let you know in the morning if he does. See you all in the next one. Bye.